Hi friends! Today's all about cooking and food, so I got my chef's hat on ready to go here. Okay, let's start with the opening song. Hello neighbor, what do you say? It's going to be a happy day. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a bump and turn around. Hi friends! Next we're going to do a felt board with 5 kernels and we're going to pop some popcorn. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little kernels sizzling in a pot. All of a sudden, one went pop. Okay, so there we got our popcorn. Okay, so how many kernels do we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little kernels sizzling in a pot. All of a sudden, one went pop. Okay, more popcorn. How many kernels do we got left? 1, 2, 3. 3 little kernels sizzling in a pot. All of a sudden, one went pop. Okay, so now how many kernels do we got left? 1, 2. 2 little kernels sizzling in a pot. All of a sudden, one went pop. Okay, so we're cooking a lot of popcorn here. How many kernels we got left? Just 1, right? 1 little kernel sizzling in a pot. All of a sudden, it went pop. Okay, so there we go. We made our popcorn, we cooked it. So all of these kernels are gone because we turned them all into popcorn. So now we can eat our popcorn. Today we're going to read Henry and Mudge and the Funny Lunch by Cynthia Ryland. And this one's brought to us by Simon & Schuster Books. Henry, Mudge, and the Funny Lunch. Mother's Day. One day in May, Henry and Henry's big dog Mudge were playing kickball with some friends. Kickball was better than catch because no one had to pick up the drooly ball. You see he's making the ball drooly. Suddenly, Henry remembered something. Mother's Day! Henry and his dad always made a funny lunch for Henry's mother on Mother's Day. One year they made a tomato snowman. Another year they baked a sweet potato shoe. Mother's Day was only a day away. What would they make for lunch this year? Let's go find Dad, Mudge, Henry said, heading home. Mudge shook hands with all of Henry's friends before leaving. Mudge had very good manners. Henry's father hadn't forgotten Mother's Day. When Henry got home, his dad was making a grocery list. What are we fixing for Mother's Day lunch? Henry asked. Henry's father smiled. Something juicy, he said. Mudge wagged. He liked juicy things. Something crunchy, said Henry's father. Mudge wagged again. He liked crunchy things too. Something you can really stretch out on, Henry's father said. Something juicy and crunchy that you can stretch out on? Asked Henry. What in the world is it? A pineapple sofa, said Henry's father. Mudge wagged and wagged and wagged. Juicy and crunchy and sofa were some of his favorite words. Shopping. Henry and Mudge went grocery shopping with Henry's father. The grocery store owner was a cousin of Henry's father, so we always let Mudge in. Mudge loved grocery shopping. He got crackers as soon as he came through the door. While Henry and Henry's father bought things for a pineapple sofa, Mudge walked around and sniffed. He sniffed and sniffed and sniffed. He sniffed the Fruity Puffs. He sniffed the Cocoa Chews. He even sniffed the Fishy Flakes. No one minded because everyone in the store loved Mudge. Babies gave him their suckers and grandmas rubbed his head. They were all glad to see him. Soon the shopping was done. Henry and Mudge and Henry's father headed home. Henry and his dad laughed about the pineapple sofa they were going to make. Henry's dad said that maybe it should be a sleep sofa. He said that maybe it should pull out into a watermelon bed. Henry giggled and giggled. He loved making funny food. Yum! On Mother's Day, Henry and Henry's father got to work. They cut pineapple cushions. They fixed marshmallow pillows. They made an apple father, a peach mother, a plum boy, and a kiwi dog. Then they set everything on top of a giant chocolate bar and served it to Henry's mother. Happy Mother's Day, said Henry. Yum, said Henry's mother, clapping her hands. She shared the pineapple sofa with everyone, then gave each of them a big kiss. Later, as they rested on their real sofa, Henry's father said to Henry, "What if next year we do a French fry cat?" Mudge wagged and wagged and wagged. The end. Hi, friends. All right, next we're doing an action rhyme with the Cookie Monster. We baked some cookies earlier. We got them right here, but the Cookie Monster, he wants to eat some of the cookies we baked. Okay. So Cookie Monster wants a yummy cookie treat. Please bring him a red cherry cookie to eat. Okay, so here's our red cherry cookie. He's gonna eat it. Nom 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 nom. Oh, that was tasty. He says, okay, Cookie Monster wants a yummy cookie treat. Please bring him a blueberry cookie to eat. Here's our blueberry cookie. Nom 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 nom. That was tasty. Okay, so he ate that one. Cookie Monster wants a yummy cookie treat. Please bring him a pink watermelon cookie to eat. So there's our pink watermelon cookie. Tasty. Oh, he really liked that one. Okay, next. Cookie Monster wants a yummy cookie treat. Please bring him a green apple cookie to eat. Okay, so here's our green apple cookie, and he's gonna eat it. Tasty. Okay, so Cookie Monster enjoyed that cookie, but there's still one more. Cookie Monster wants a yummy cookie treat. Please bring him an orange pumpkin cookie to eat. Okay, here's our orange pumpkin cookie, and he's gonna eat it. Tasty. All right, so that was all the cookies. Cookie Monster, he probably wants more because he can just eat cookies non-stop forever, but we've got to, we can only give him so many cookies because we only bake so many. So, all right. Okay, next it's time for the bubblegum song. Here we go. Bubblegum, bubblegum, chewy, 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 bubblegum, bubblegum. Bubblegum, chewy, 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 bubblegum. I love it, I love it. Chewy, 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 bubblegum. I love it, I love it. Chewy, 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 bubblegum. Okay, now let's go just a little bit faster. All right. Bubblegum, bubblegum, chewy, 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 bubblegum, 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 chewy, 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 bubblegum. I love it, chew, 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 bubblegum. I love it, chew, 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 bubblegum. Okay, now let's go really fast. All right, here we go. Bubblegum, bubblegum, chew, 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 bubblegum, 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 chew, 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 bubblegum. I love it, chew, 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 bubblegum. I love it, chew, 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 bubblegum. Ooh, good job, that was really fast. Okay, so let's do the closing song. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. It is time to say goodbye to all our friends. It is time to say goodbye to all our friends. It is time to say goodbye. Grab a smile and wink your eye. It is time to say goodbye to all our friends. Goodbye, friends. Yee!